Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith in case you're new, and today we're going over e.l.f.'s $6 Flawless Finish Foundation. And yeah, it's cruelty free and it's vegan, and I really liked how this turned out. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like this video. I definitely hope that you do. And yeah, let's get into it. So yeah, as you can see, I already applied my brows and this color correcting concealer. I didn't go overboard with it because I want to make sure we can really get a good look at the foundation. So I'm just blending this out here. And I actually forgot to apply primer, so here I'm just applying my First Aid Beauty primer. And this really just blurs out my pores and imperfections. And then I'm also going to go over with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer just to make sure that the e.l.f. foundation is going to apply and glide on very nice and smooth. And I feel like this makes a really big difference with this foundation. Okay, so I just primed my face and applied a color correcting concealer on it because, you know, I have some dark areas. I didn't go overboard with the color correcting concealer because I want to make sure that I'm really going to get a good look at the foundation itself. So online I really couldn't tell which foundation to get, so I ordered 3. I already know which one matches for me, but I'm going to show you guys. First one is called Coco, and that's this one right here. This is Coco. And the next one is called Chocolate, so that's this one right here. And the next one is called Espresso. Okay, so as you can see, the darkest one is going to be the one that's going to look best on me. The one in the middle there is just too orange, and I don't want that. So I'm going to do the darkest. And I'm going to be using a brush because, you know, I feel like this foundation is going to do a lot better with the brush versus a beauty blender. I feel like I might get more coverage out of it. And this is supposed to be lightweight yet medium to full coverage, so let's see. It looks really good right now, just looking at it in my mirror. It dried kind of quickly. I like that it feels sort of creamy, but it's not too creamy where I'm afraid for my acne prone skin. I'm applying one more pump. I'm going to make sure I apply it down to my neck. This looks really good. I think I'm going to invest a little bit in a good light or two. I used to have one, but then we moved from Jersey here to Maryland, and now I don't know where it is. I think I may have thrown it out during the move, but I don't know. This is awesome. It's only $6. Okay, I'm gonna make sure it's all blended out for you guys. I'm gonna actually apply the Flawless Concealer on top because I feel like if this is already looking so great, why not apply the matching concealer, you know? And I'm using it in the color Deep Chestnut. I haven't really been using this because I don't know, I just never reached for it, but I have it, so you guys know that e.l.f. is completely cruelty free and vegan. I thought that was like a rare thing to be both. That looks really good. I think I just applied too much though. It's a little bit lighter than I expected. It's a good color. I'm gonna need to go over it with my foundation brush just to make sure that this doesn't look too light. Wow, that looks really good. I'm like looking at my reflection in the iPad and oh, it looks so good. I'm excited. Okay, so someone actually commented in one of my videos to get the Hourglass powder, so I got it, and I'm gonna use that to set my face. because I've been in love with this powder. It's been working miracles for my crazy oily T-zone. I used to really love the Laura Mercier one, and then this Hourglass one just really beats it for me. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to just go about my day, and then I'll come back and I'll tell you guys how it looks, how I feel about it, and so on and so on. So I'll just show you a quick overview right now. Okay, cool. So I will come back and let you guys know how I feel about it, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay. Okay, hey guys, I wanted to come back and show you what it looks like before the sun goes down, because the sun is going down. So it looks really good. I felt really good about this. Granted, this was only about, what, 3 hours? No, it was 4 hours, right? I put it on. It's holding up pretty well. And I didn't wash my face right before I put the makeup on. I had already washed my face many hours before I applied the makeup. So my skin was already a little bit oily in my T-zone. Even though it was already oily, I don't think that it looks too out of control with oil. I do think that I'm trying to get you to see it in different lighting, because I know the lighting's a little wacky right now. I do think that it's held up pretty well. I probably would just bake a little bit more, like on my head and my T-zone, you know, because I do see a little bit of oil, but I always get that. So I love this foundation. Actually, I wasn't expecting to love this foundation just because I never really got into e.l.f.'s cosmetics, but I do like this foundation, and especially knowing that it's only $6. Okay, yeah, I don't feel any sort of irritation with this. The foundation is great. I think it looks a little bit red if you look at it compared to my neck. Honestly, in person, it's perfectly fine. Yeah, so with flash, it looks like it's a little bit more red, but without flash, it looks pretty close to my skin tone. Yeah, I mean, nobody notices. I walked into Sephora today, and like, you know, when you walk into Sephora, you're not wearing makeup, nobody cares. But then when you're wearing makeup, you know, everybody's like, oh, hello, how are you? Hi. So even though I was barely wearing any makeup today, I got that sort of reaction. Is my camera falling? What is happening? Sorry. I got that sort of reaction from people at Sephora, so yeah. And it looks pretty good. I think I would wear this to school. I'd wear this to work. Yeah. That's great, because I was using Laura Mercier's tinted moisturizer for every day, and I'm trying to get rid of I have like all of my makeup that I know is not cruelty free and vegan, and I'm trying to get rid of those. But you know, sometimes it's hard to find the right match of foundation and stuff for yourself that's cruelty free and vegan, especially being black with neutral undertones. It's so difficult. So I'm glad that e.l.f. has something that's affordable, cruelty free, vegan, looks good, feels good, is good. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you like this video, and comment anything that you want to talk about. Yeah. Okay, bye guys. So yeah. I don't know why I'm so weird right now. Why am I so weird? I don't know how to like close a video. Actually, I scripted this video, but I didn't follow anything. I didn't follow any of this.